Welcome back to Olsa Tools Grease and Gears. Let's dive into the second part of socket organizers. This tray is going to transform the way you work. The spring-loaded socket clips securely organize up to 80 sockets. That's 20 for your 1/4 inch drive, 30 for your 3/8 inch drive, and 30 for your 1/2 inch drive sockets. This tray holds them all in one place. And here's the best part. This tray is multi-drive compatible. It holds your 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. But you can also purchase extra clips and add in 3/4 inch drives. You can fully customize this tray to match your perfect socket setup. What I love about the Olsa Tools portable socket tray is how easy it is to use and move around. You can get your sockets organized in minutes. Just unbag it, clip your sockets on, and grab the handle. This socket tray is built to last. It's engineered with a high-grade steel backing and durable ABS socket clips. You can have 100% confidence that your sockets are held firmly and securely in place. With this 3-piece set, keeping your sockets organized and easily accessible has never been easier. Each tray is designed for a different drive size: 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. In total, these trays can hold up to 76 sockets. These trays are equipped with rare earth neodymium magnets. That means your sockets stay firmly in place even when you're on the move, whether you're carrying them across the shop or loading them into your truck. Your sockets aren't going anywhere. Need portability? No problem. They keep everything neat, tidy, and ready for action, no matter where you're working. They're compatible with both deep and shallow sockets, SAE and metric, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch drives. So if you're tired of the clutter and ready to bring some serious organization into your workspace, Olsa Tools is your answer. Easy to use, built tough, and designed to keep your sockets right where you need them. Trust me, this is a tool upgrade you won't regret. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.